Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Narzo N61 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Of course, give all the permissions if you're using it for the very first time. And currently we are in the standard photo mode. Unfortunately, the timer option is not highlighted anywhere, which means that we have to open the settings. They are in the right upper corner. So let's tap on it. And here we have to find the timer option. It's right here. So let's tap. In this device, we've got 3 different options from which we can choose. So off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. Just tap on the option you'd like to use. As you can see, it is immediately notified right here. And after getting back to the camera, all you have to do is to tap on the shutter button. And from now on, your device will count down from 10 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, of course. And after that time, it will simply take a photo. So this is how it works. Of course, you can always turn this option off. Just go to the settings again, find the timer and tap on off. And from now on, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.